bit.
Stay high. Stay high. You're in the middle. 3 wide. Still there. Hold your line. Clear inside. 2 wide. Clear outside. Stay low. Still there. You're in the middle. 3 wide. Right side. 2 wide. You're in the middle. 3 wide.
I'm backing out of that. I'm not participating in that.
2 wide. Clear inside.
Not this early in the race.
Car inside.
I say that like I didn't just take it 3 wide the lap before.
You're in the middle. 3 wide. Still there.
Watching the wrecking.
Outside. 2 wide. Inside. Caution. Yellow flag. Line up. Single file. Pit road is closed. Left
Trying to come back up, trying to come back up.
carbide. You had the position.
I was not blocking.
Clear.
I was actually making
Car
it.
inside. Still there. Inside.
No, you're good. I see.
Still inside. Still there at the bottom. Clear inside. That was your fastest lap of the session. The leader just did a 42.729. Car inside. Still there inside. Clear.
Okay.
Inside. You're up top 3 wide. That was your fastest lap of the session. Still there. The car in P6 just set the fastest lap. 39.918. Inside. 2 wide. Inside. Still there. Hold your line.
It's okay.
Still there. Inside. Clear. Car inside. Stay high to the car on the low side. You're up top 3 wide. Still there. Still there. Hold your line. Inside. 2 wide. Clear inside. You're in the top 10. Car inside. Clear inside. Inside. Still there at the bottom. You're up top 3 wide. Right side 2 wide. Clear. You're pulling away from the car behind.
Oh my gosh!
Second.
What the hell? Brother.
Inside. Clear inside.
No shit, sorry, we went for the same spot.
Car inside. Still inside. Still there. Hold your line. Clear inside. You're in fifth. Inside. Keep high. The leader is running 40.629. Still there. Clear. Inside. Still there. Hold your line. Stay high. There's a car on the low side. Still inside. Clear.
want to be up here, but if you're going to make me lose this top 3, let me in front.
Wrecking on the back.
The car inside. Still there. Still there.
Fucking idiot.
Brother, you took all the air off my ass.
Smooth. Clear inside.
Didn't fucking touch you. Had to lift and scratch yourself.
I know you didn't touch me. I said you took the air off my ass.
The car outside.
I have no issues with you, man.
Still there.
I almost did.
Stay low. There is a car on the high side. Clear.
Sounds like a you problem,
Car
son.
outside. Clear up top.
Oh, one wrecking in front.
Caution. Yellow flag. They want you in single file. Pit road is closed. Pasta 48 car.